Hi everybody, what's up and welcome back to the channel. As usual, you know we are all about homemaking, home cleaning, home organization. My name is Robertina. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, we're going to be organizing our garage or our store. All right, so that's how it looks, and I need to get everything cleaned up, wiped up, organized, and my kids are also helping me today. You may not see them on camera. I don't know if I have a clip. Yes, but this is what we're doing today, and we are going to make sure that we leave this place looking sparkly clean. All right, so that's me. At this point, I have like a 1 month and 2 weeks old baby. Is it a one? No, 2 months old. At this point, I have a 2 month old. Just doing what I can while she's taking a nap. And my my day bag, who comes here to help clean, she was also here helping me. So we cleaned up empty bottles, empty shoes, empty shelves. We wiped surfaces and all that. And it was a really successful day. All right, so there's the girl. She woke up just keeping us company, enjoying her baby rocker. So there's really so much to do here, and I can't show you everything too because I'm taking care of the baby as well, but I have help. Yeah, so I think I'll show you the after because I can't show you the entire process. That will be a bit difficult, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and what else? Like this video, subscribe if you haven't. I will really appreciate it. Quick tour of this garage, or rather store. So that's our entrance. If you need your car to come in here, so that's the entrance. We normally keep it closed because we are not using it for that function, like bringing the car in. Starting off here, I have these chrome pipes. I used to have these in my previous business where I used to have a wines and spirit shop. So when we closed down that shop, we were left over with these chrome pipes, which are, normally the grills that are on the counter in any shop. So that's what that is. I have a wheelbarrow here and a water pipe. Next, I have a shovel, a rake, a slasher. Then I also have this other shelf, which in my previous house I was using it as storage for my cleaning products and things like that. I'm still planning to give it some function because it's really nice. I love it. It's also really cute, and by the way, it's also a product of that shop. Yeah, so I really like it. It used to have some drinks. We used to display drinks there in the shop. All right, so for now it is just holding extra shoes over there and that drawer as well. And then over here we have these MDF boards that are now left over because I've practically used most of the MDF boards that came from the shop with building things like shelves for wardrobes, for the kitchen, and I also sold some of the MDF boards which are still brand new and I was not gonna need them. Yeah, so that's what is left. Still a lot. If you can see, these are so many. I'm thinking of building a shoe rack with this, but we'll know when we decide. We're still thinking about it. Then on this side, the thing you are seeing there, like that looks really organized, like shelves and things like that, it is also from the shop. It was now the display counter, which is now working as my storage for these things that I've placed on top. I have shoes there, many shoes, even my shoes from a long time ago, like these heels. There's a heel I want to show you, which I'm really proud of. This was my Rorashio heel. Can never let go of that one. And then I have these ones. These are my favorite heels, still looking good as new. I bought these in 2017. Yeah, I remember back then I felt like they were so expensive because they were going for 3,000. Yeah, but this is one of the best heels that I have. I don't know if I'll ever get rid of it because right now, of course, I can't be wearing them. Yeah, but there they are. I wanted to just quickly show you that and the rest of my collection, which I'm going to build up really slowly. So these are the shoes that I'm mostly wearing nowadays: sports shoes, and one pair of sandal. And then these are my hubby's shoes for work. Yeah, and everything looks nice here. We have that barbecue stand is for a friend of ours, and we're keeping it nicely there for him. Um, yeah, so far so good. These are just empty bottles in the crates, leftover items from the shop. You know, of course, the crates, soda crates, shells. We have some with bottles, which are the back. These are two rows. There's this, and then there's that row. That row over there has the soda bottles. These ones are just empty shells. So actually, if you might be needing these empty shells and these crates with the bottles inside, just holler at me and we'll organize on how you can get them. Then that box, the washing machine box, it has a lot of other boxes in there. So I'm putting all my carton boxes inside there to make sure they're just in one place. I have a question here now for my Catholic friends. This year we didn't manage to take back our palm tree back to the church. The way we normally take them back, and then Ash Wednesday is here, and then you get fresh new ones. So that entire process we weren't able to do. So I'm wondering, should I just keeping them? It is one of our main symbols in the Catholic Church. It is a palm tree, and I don't want to mess up with it. So anyway, I'm keeping it there for now. Under here we have these mirrors, which they're also, I don't know the dimensions, but I guess I can use these soon in the house. And then over here we have our Christmas tree, which is gonna stay there. And then down here we have some shells which we had gotten from the coast. I don't know what to do with them, and I don't know why we got the shells, but I think I'll probably sell them. Actually, maybe I can sell them. Yeah, I'd just get rid of them because I don't see them fitting anywhere in the house in terms of decor. All right, so that's it. That's everything, and that's how it turned out. That's how the garage turned out. The crates are there, very well organized. It is also quite clean. You can see now I can come in here without fearing. Um, like, where is everything? Initially it was messy, but now it's all good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please watch the next video that I'm going to put on the top right corner and the top left corner. Make sure you also subscribe, and I will really appreciate. See you next time. Bye bye.